At this intersection, it's been pouring rain since last night till this morning.
It's raining so heavy. How lucky, I got away in time.
The tunnel is flooded. Should I go down there? Oh no, my car is sinking. Someone help me.
The rescue team is here.
Thanks for saving me.
Everyone, please stop your vehicles.
What happened?
This is a mess.
I need to drain this tunnel quickly. A lot of water is getting sucked into the truck.
How to build the water suction truck. Step 1. Build the truck body. First, I'm going to build the rear chassis. The motor. The wheel. Now, I'll build the front chassis. Connect the two chassis. These front wheels can help the truck steer left and right. Connect to the battery box. Next, I'll build the cabin. Step 2. Build the water suction tank. Plastic water bottle. Plastic tube. Testing. Bowl of water. Let's see how it sucks up water.
Just a little water left in the tunnel. I need to go down there.
After multiple rounds of suction, the water in the tunnel has gone down a lot.
Let's keep sucking up water.
Before. After.
The tunnel has been drained completely.
Everyone can pass through it now.
Playing area.
My Orbeez spilled everywhere.
Mine too.
How to collect these Orbeez now?
Making the cleaning vehicle on sand. Step 1. Build the truck body. Install 6 gears. I have assembled 2 identical parts. Connect them together. The legs. Install for the legs. Install the battery box. Install the motor. Connect to the battery box. Finally, install the tray to the body. Step 2. Build the conveyor belts. Install the tread link. The first conveyor belt is done. I will build the second conveyor belt. These ridges made of Lego barbs will support the Orbeez as they roll up. Add the wheels. Add the motor. Testing. We need to secure the area before cleaning up the Orbeez.
This cleaning truck looks great.
Let's start collecting the Orbeez.
The conveyor is pulling the Orbeez from the first pile onto the tray. Now, the cleaning truck is moving to another pile of Orbeez. No more Orbeez here. The truck will turn around and continue its work.
All of the Orbeez have been gathered up.
Please return our bees to our car.
A river in the forest.
We're at the research area, buddy. The river here is severely polluted.
I'll go down and take a water sample.
The dirty water turned you into a zombie.
How to build the water cleaning machine. Step 1. Build the truck body. I have assembled 2 identical parts. The legs. The battery box. The motors. The tray. Step 2. Build the conveyor belts. The tread links. The first conveyor belt is done. I will build the second conveyor belt. The tread links. The second conveyor belt is done. Step 3. Connect all components. Connect to the battery box. Water cleaning machine is ready. The duckweed are being carried up the conveyor and falling into the trash tray. The cleaning truck can turn around and continue collecting trash from the other corner of the river. All the trash has been removed.
The river is clean, buddy. Let's take another sample.
OMG, I'm a zombie too.
Somewhere in the Amazon.
It's been an hour. Where's the gold?
Calm down. They said there's gold here.
It's real gold, buddy.
Wow! We found gold. It's in the swamp.
Wow, that's a ton of gold.
We're about to get rich.
Let's mine the gold quickly.
How to build the gold mining crane? Step 1. Build the moving arm. This gear set allows the crane to rotate left and right. Aha! The conveyor has delivered the parts for the moving arm. Linear actuator. This linear actuator enables the arm to lift and lower. Step 2. Build the gripper. Motor. Next, I'll use this digger bucket to grab objects. Connect 2 parts together. Connect to the battery box. Testing with Lego diamonds. These tooths prevent the bucket from grabbing the studs. I'll replace it with this toothless bucket. I'll test again with this toothless bucket. Gold mining crane is complete. I'll add this Lego mesh tray to catch the mined gold.
Let's get to work, everyone.
The crane is ready to grab the gold.
Wow.
The crane has dug up the first batch of gold.
I want to increase production even more.
This water wheel will boost the water force significantly.
That's a lot faster.
So much gold.
Wow!
Ho!
All this gold is ours, buddy. What's that?
Oh no, the crocodiles.
Crocodile attack.
Fishing port.
It's time for fishing, bro.
Yes, sir.
Our boat is full of fish. We need to go to the fish drop-off, Dockmaster.
Please wait, the bridge will open right now.
How to build fishing ship.
I brought the parts to assemble the ship.
Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Built the loading conveyor belt. This loading conveyor is used to pull fish up from the sea. The support frame. Lego tread links. The gearbox. The motor. Connect to the battery box. I'll build another one to bring the fish into the ship. Step 2. Build the unloading conveyor belt. Lego tread links. Add the motor. Now, let's connect the two conveyors together.
I want to test if this conveyor can transport fish up.
Lego fish and crab. Now, let's attach the conveyors to the ship and add the wheelhouse.
Let's move this fish to the gathering place, everybody. We're done. Let's go home. Oh no, what happened? This boat is too big. Oh no, the boat is about to sink. Someone help us.
You will need a better fishing boat.
I'll reuse this collecting boat from my previous episode to fish.
This boat might boost our productivity 10 times. It worked so well. We caught more fish than the old boat. All the fish have been unloaded onshore. Let's move, everyone. We'll go to the next fishing port. Awesome, the boat has successfully turned around.
Attention, employees. Today's competition will determine the most productive team. Humans versus machines. Who will win?
Awesome, let's win first place. We've got the numbers.
Yeah, we're sure to win.
Humans team.
Let's get started, brothers.
Dry Orbeez.
These Orbeez have already grown. Let's harvest them, guys.
Bloated Orbeez.
Work hard, reap big rewards, everyone. All the Orbeez have been transported smoothly.
Cap, we're almost done.
Wait, there are still lots of giant Orbeez. The long wait made them all grow too big.
Time out.
We've harvested a lot of Orbeez.
They're about to win, buddy.
I have an idea.
How to build the Orbeez cable car. 1. Build the supporting tower. Bull wheel. The gears. The motor. Connect to the battery box. 2. Build the cabin. Metal mesh. These cabins will help push the orbes to the harvesting area faster. 3. Set up the cable car. Place the supporting towers on the foundations. Connect the 2 bull wheels together. Connect to the battery box. Plastic tube. Attach the cabin to the cable. Machines team.
Our cable car will optimize this process. Let's see how this machine flips the orbes. Look, the orbes are quickly transported to the harvesting chutes.
It's time to harvest the orbes.
Your time is out. The competition has been fierce, but only one can win. Are you ready? So, the winner is Peter's team. We won, guys.